Hi kids, welcome back to the class. I am Bhuvanashri and today we are going to study about Qbasic Advanced. We all know that Basic is a high-level language that is used by a computer in order to understand our input. It is very easy to learn and simple to use. It automatically checks the errors and follows the syntax. And also it interprets the statement of a program at a time in CPU. We all know it has different types of data. The QBasic data are mainly the constants, variables and the line. We have learned it in our previous lessons as well. The print command enables us to print the statement or the data that is written after it, while the input command enables us to use or take the input data from the user. Goto helps the user to go back to the line where the question was asked and enter the correct answer. If in case you have entered a wrong answer, we can use this goto command. Now let us learn about the calculations. As Qbasic is a programming language, doing calculations in Qbasic is very easy. And what are the calculations we can perform in it? We can perform all the calculations that we do in our calculator. Like we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with similar sign. And this is a sample program, a simple one to enable us to learn about the programming using this addition and multiplication. And there are advanced operations also. As I told you, we can operate any kind of calculations in this Qbasic programming. We can divide, we can add powers, we can add square roots and we can add modulus like mod. So these are it. There are also different kinds of operator. Take a relational operator, that is equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, not equal to. So these are the operator symbols, while these are the examples for it. Looping. What is this looping? It is the process of repeating the series of statements as many as times we need. There are two types of loop in this. Firstly, it is the do loop. It is of do while and do. The do while loop, it is executed as long as specified condition is only true. Why? Only the do while loop condition comprises the set of statements that are to be executed. The next is for next loop. It allows us to execute a part of program with certain number of times. Like if you want to get a same statement for more than 2 to 3 times, you can use this one. Mathematical library function, the set of functions that enable us to perform different programs or different functions within it. Like ABS function, it returns corresponding positive value, while CINT function returns the nearest numeric expression. The cos function is obtained for cosine variables or to obtain the cosine values. Integer function lets us to return an integer, while sine function, as you know, to get the values of sine. SGN is to return the sign of numeric expression. The square root lets us to add square root or calculate the square root. Tan function to get the tangent of it. We have text library function. They are similar to the mathematical functions, but still they differ in certain ways. Like ASC function returns ASCII codes corresponding to the character, that is the string. CHR functions return the character corresponding to the ASCII codes or values, while the INSTR lets us to search for one string inside the another and returns the position of the first character only. Len function counts and returns the total number of character of string. That is, it is the length function. We also have like left function, we have right function, the mid function, space, str, we have strings, we have L cases, I mean lower cases and upper cases. These functions specifically perform particular tasks that enables us to write a program in a perfect way. That's all for today's class, students. I hope you learned so much about commands, functions and more advanced methods in Qbasic. Let's meet soon. Thank you.